Microalgae may be taken either as a nutritional supplement in the form of powder contained in tablets or mixed with other ingredients to create tasty and enticing foods. The question is, how does the consumer feel about this product that is creating different taste sensations? Professor Raimundo and researcher Oliveira both work on ways to get this healthy and natural product on the market more.
We know exactly what the consumer trends are, and we try to develop products which meet the current consumer trends. For example, sustainability, simple labels, products that have a story behind them, like this one, and products that have direct benefits for health and well-being. Often when we get the consumer involved, we use children. Children are very adept at trying new things. I think the average consumer still doesn't have the greatest love of seaweed. It's a product that we don't usually eat in our daily routines. It's a taste that you acquire, and you have to practice that. I think if the consumers try it, they will like it.